Hello YouTube viewers, Rick here at Rick's Automotive. I'm going to show you how to reset your clock on your 2010 Honda Odyssey. We're going to use the radio preset buttons to reset your clock. You'll see the 4 has an H above it and the 5 has the M. H is for hours, M is for minutes. And then just north of the 5 you have the aux or the auxiliary button. You'll see next to that it says hold, and just above that it's a picture of a clock. So you hold this auxiliary button down until you hear the beep. The clock's flashing. You can now adjust the time. It is 3:13 here. It'll keep blinking. Once you set the clock, hit the auxiliary button again and your clock is set. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked this video. Hope it helped. If it did, please subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time.